If you had the chance and the time to spend, would you do it again? Would you do it again? Was it too much? Was it too much? Now you call your friend cause I'm gone again. When I back around, would you do it again? Was it too much? Was it too much? So tell me what got in the way, and how I thought it was good that it changed. And I'm saying I'm sorry again. Oh, I could never get out of my way. Hit the story and run, drops replays, and still all that you do is complain. You keep on throwing it back in my face. I know you're telling me I need some space. So I'm laying in my bed, drop out for shows now. I'll be there before I without you now. Realizing I'm addicted to you now. Come here, baby, relax and cool down. What you said, me back with a move now. In my brain, no one else, it's just you now. Let me love it the way that I do now. I never knew